Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy a business network with LinkedIn step by step clearly. Begin by creating a LinkedIn profile that reflects your professional image. Use a high-quality photo that portrays you in a polished manner. Craft a compelling headline that summarizes your expertise and value proposition. Expand your summary to provide a clear overview of your career journey and strengths. Add your work experience, including details about your roles and accomplishments. Ensure that your skills section highlights key competencies relevant to your business goals. Connect with industry professionals by sending personalized connection requests. Engage with your network by liking, commenting, and sharing relevant content. Join groups that align with your industry interests and participate in discussions. Use LinkedIn's search function to find potential clients, partners, or collaborators. Reach out to these connections with tailored messages that introduce your business. Regularly post valuable content that establishes you as an authority in your field. Utilize LinkedIn's publishing platform to share in-depth articles related to your expertise. Monitor analytics to understand which posts resonate most with your audience. Schedule regular networking sessions or virtual meetups with your connections. Consider using LinkedIn Premium features to enhance your visibility and access more insights. Keep your profile updated with any new skills, experiences, or accomplishments. Continue to foster relationships by periodically checking in with your connections. Leverage endorsements and recommendations to build credibility for your business. Evaluate your progress and adjust your strategy based on your network's engagement. Stay proactive in expanding your network and exploring new opportunities. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.